Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan SE, stock number B9724X. Only 3,000 miles on this Grand Caravan. Clean auto check history report. This was one of our courtesy vehicles for our service department. White knuckle in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper, and a 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000 mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. This Grand Caravan seats 7, cloth interior. Stone Go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Third row seats 3. Rear heat and air control, along with DVD player. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. Backup camera for additional safety. Deep storage wall behind the third row. Lots of space for cargo, or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks on the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can, of course, fold them in any combination, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And of course, very clean, no dents or dings in the body. High back bucket seats in the middle row. Recline, slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. When they're in the upright position, you have all the additional storage space below. This SE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 3,000 miles. Cruise control. 6.5-inch touchscreen. Infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in. Burn it to your hard drive. Never have to carry it along again. You can also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Rear DVD player controls, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone temperature control, slide-out cup holders, power outlets and storage, and dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Grand Caravan is a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. Very clean under the hood. All of your fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance, anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway. And again, only 3,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.